Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. Students, this is part 2 of the chapter surface areas and volumes. In this part 2, we will continue learning surface area and volume of a cube. In earlier part 1, we learned surface area and volume of a cuboid. In this part 2, we will be learning about surface area and volume of a cube, and later we will solve some questions of exercise 13.1. Regarding cube, a cube is cuboid in which length, breadth and height, all three are of equal. So, a cuboid will be called as cube when length, breadth and height of a cuboid are equal. Okay? Then, a cube is a solid shape having 6 equal square surfaces or faces. For example, if you take here in this cube, length, breadth and height are equal to the measure A units. So, all 6 surfaces of that cube will become square faces. That is why it is a solid shape made up of 6 equal square faces. It is a 3-dimensional shape bounded by 6 equal square surfaces. We have already mentioned that. It has 12 edges and 8 vertices, as same case in the cuboid. How cuboid will have 12 edges and 8 vertices. Similarly, cube also will have 12 edges and 8 vertices. Now, its diagonal length. If you observe, if I join opposite corners of a cube, you will get a diagonal, and measure of the diagonal is root 3 times of A. Or you can write it as A time into root 3. Okay, both are same. How this root 3 times of A has come? You already know diagonal of a cuboid is root under L square plus B square plus H square, where length, breadth and height of a cuboid are equal and they are substituted instead of L, B, H, A units, then it becomes root under A square plus A square plus A square. That means root under 3 times of A square, and further it can be written as root 3 into root A square. Root 3 into root A square, that root A square will become A. That is how this root 3 times of A has come. Okay. Now, moving on to the surface area and volume of a cube. Lateral surface area. You know, lateral surfaces nothing but 4 sides leaving top and bottom. So, all the sides apart from the top and bottom will be called as lateral surfaces, and sum of their area will give you lateral surface area. Here in this case, lateral surface area is 2 into A into A plus A into A, which is nothing but why A into A into A? Front face is A square and back face is A square, and left side and right side put together A square plus A square, you will get 4A square because of that front, back and left, right. Then total surface area of a cube will be area of all 6 surfaces. Area of all 6 surfaces nothing but 6 times of A square, okay, including this top and bottom. So, A square for 6 times you will get, as a total surface area of a cube. Now, what would be the volume? See children, volume of a cuboid, you know, length into volume of a cuboid, you know it as length into breadth into height. So, length into breadth into height, here length into breadth into height are same. So, A into A into A, it gives you a cube. Okay. So, volume of a cube is base area into height is the standard formula for prisms. So, A square into A, it becomes A cube will be the volume of a cube. Now, where A is a length of this edge, length of the edge of the cube. Now, coming to the examples, here I gave you a question. What is the capacity? You know, volume is also called as capacity. What is the capacity of a cubical vessel having each side 8 centimeter? So, if the side, nothing but edge here in the cubical vessel, here 8 centimeter will be considered as edge, length of the edge. So, we will do as a solution, given side or given edge is 8 centimeter. So, the volume of a cubical vessel is A cube and 8 cube is 256 centimeter cube, and this is also written as 256 cubic centimeter this way, or it can also be written as 256 cc cubic centimeter. Okay. Now, moving on to the question, another question, it is example 1 from the textbook. So, read the question. Mary wants to decorate her Christmas tree. So, to decorate her Christmas tree, she wants to place the tree on a wooden box covered with colored paper with picture of Santa Claus on it. Here, just like this. Now, what is the shape of that box? You could see here, it's a cuboid. She must know the exact quantity of paper to buy for this purpose. If the box has length, breadth and height as 80 centimeter, 40 centimeter, 20 centimeters respectively, how many square sheets of paper of side 40 centimeters should that she is supposed to purchase? So, as a part of the solution here, now first and foremost things, since Mary wants to paste the paper on outer surfaces, it is pasted on the surface, okay, on the outer surfaces of the box, the quantity of the paper required would be equal to the surface area of that box. You know how to find the surface area of a box? Since it is a cuboid, and knowing the dimensions as length, breadth and height as 80, 40 and 20 centimeters respectively, the total surface area of the box we will find out, that is using this formula. We have already learned this, 2 times of LB plus BH plus HL. Now, substituting the values of L as 80, B as 40 and H as 20, 2 into 80 plus 40, 2 into 80 into 40 plus 40 into 20 plus 20 into 80. So, put together it is 80 40 is a 3200, 40 20 is a 800, 28 is a 1600, and summation of this will give you 5600 into twice that into 2 gives you 11,200 centimeter square being the total surface area of that box. Now, you have a square sheets of side 40 centimeter. So, square sheets of paper with 40 centimeter side will be of area 1600 centimeter square. Now, if I buy one, I will get this. How many such I have to buy? So I have to divide this 11,200 centimeter square by 1600 centimeter square. The number of sheets required will be the quotient what we get when we divide surface area of the box by an area of one sheet. Okay. So 11,200 divided by 1600 will give you number of sheets as 7. Okay, that is what we conclude. Therefore, she would require 7 sheets of that paper, okay, to design it. See, this is the working steps we need to write while solving this question. Okay, to write the solution, you have to follow proper procedure. Okay, that will give you full marks. I'll give you one more example with working steps. Try to understand, and rest of the questions we will solve, okay, with the same style. Okay, you need to write it in your notebook, in your exercise notebook, with the proper working steps. Okay, now moving on to the example number 2. Here, Hamid has built a cubical water tank. Hamid has built cubical water tank. That means it's a cube shape with a lid for his house, with each outer edge 1.5 meter long. That means here length of this edge is 1.5 meter. He gets the outer surface area, he gets the outer surface of the tank excluding the base, because base is on the ground, covered with a square tiles. You could see here square tiles are covered over them, and square tiles are of side 25 centimeter as shown in the figure. Find how much he would spend for the tiles if the cost of the tiles is 360 rupees per dozen. Okay, first I have to find number of tiles that I require. To find the number of tiles that we require, let's go for the solution. I have to calculate, since Hamid is getting 5 outer surfaces only, that is excluding the bottom or base, the tank covered with the tiles, he would need to know that surface area of the tank to decide the number of tiles required. So edge of each, that edge of that cubical tank is 1.5 meter or 150 centimeter. Let us consider it as A. Now the surface area of the tank is 5 times, okay, A square. Why 5 times A square? Is just because bottom or base is not covered by tiles. Now 5 into 150 square will give you some number, let's say here area of each square tile is 25 centimeter into 25 centimeter, that is 25 multiplied, it will give you some number. See, if once you got the area of the square tile, and if I divide how much area to be covered by one area of one tile, then the number of tiles required will come. Here the number of tiles will be the surface area of the tank divided by area of each tile. That means, why I didn't multiply? I will have a possibility of cancelling rather wasting time in product, multiplying these numbers. 25 into 25 625, 150 into 150, 15 15s are 225, 0 multiplied will give by itself means 10 square is 100. So 225 into 100, so it becomes 22,500 into 5. So huge calculations, all that you can avoid now, isn't it? So 25 ones are 25 six are 25 ones are 25 six are. So now 6 6 are 36, 36 5s are, you have very simple 180 tiles we required. So, to have a simple calculation, we avoid multiplying and we do prefer of cancelling. Okay. So, here number of tiles required is 180 and cost of 1 dozen tiles is 360 rupees. Thus, cost of 1 tile will be 30 rupees. You know how to find unitary method, and the cost of 180 tiles will be 180 into rupees 30 gives you rupees 5400. Students, these are the working steps to be written, okay, while solving these questions. Now let us go for exercise 13.1. There are totally 8 questions in it, but I will be solving 1 or 2 questions for today's session. So coming to the question number 1, a plastic box of long 1.5 meter, here 1.5 meter long and 1.25 meter wide, here 1.25 meter wide and 65 centimeter deep is to be made. It is opened at the top. So here there is top not covered, it is open. Ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet, determine the area of the sheet required for making the box. See children, here in this solution, to find the area the sheet required, is to find the surface area is to find the area of the sheet required, we need to find the surface area without the top, as it is opened. Thus, lateral surface area plus area of the bottom, okay, will be the, let me write properly here, will has got, okay, here will be the area of sheet, will be the area of the plastic sheet used. Thus, 2 times of L plus B into height is lateral surface area plus L into B, where you know length L is 1.5 meter and breadth 1.25 meter, height 65 centimeter, and they must be in the same units. So I will write 1.5 as 150 centimeter, this 125 we will write it as, 1.25 we will write it as 125 centimeter, and h is already, it is there in centimeters only. Now substituting that values here, 2 times of L plus B, 150 plus 125 is 275 into height 65 plus 150 into 125, 150 into 125. Now we will simplify this. Let me take Next, here 2 into 275 into 65 plus 150 into 125, we are calculating. So, this 2 into 275 into 65 becomes 35,750 plus 150 into 125 becomes 18,750, and sum of this is 54,500 centimeter square. If I convert it into centimeter square into meter square or meter square into centimeter square, you know 1 meter square is 10,000 centimeter square. Now we will convert this into meter square by dividing it by 10,000. So 54500 by 10,000, that is 54,500 divided by 10,000 meter square. It gives you, after cancellation, 5.45 meter square. This is the area of the plastic sheet that we have used. Now we will go for one more question. Here the other question is, find the cost of sheet for it. Now the cost of sheet for it, if the sheet measuring 1 meter square costs 20 rupees, that means cost of the sheet at the rate of rupees 20 per meter square will be, for 545 meter square we need to multiply by 20 rupees. So, you know 5.45 multiplied by 20 gives you point will be removed and 54.5 into 2, 109 rupees will come. Okay, we will conclude. Therefore, the cost of the sheet is rupees 109. That is it. This is how we will conclude the writing. See children, here very important, calculations, formulas and units. Okay, where there is a requirement of writing units, you must write. So, if you do not write formula, you will lose marks. If you do not write units also, you will lose marks, and if you do not properly calculate also, you will lose marks. Okay. Now, let us move on to the next question. So, question number 2. The length, breadth and height of a room are 5 meter, 4 meter, 3 meters respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing the walls of room and the ceiling at the rate of rupees 7.5 per meter square. See, if I want to find out here the cost of whitewashing, I must find area of whitewashing. So, area of whitewashing is area of the 4 walls plus area of the ceiling. That means lateral surface area plus L into B. You know here 2 times of L plus B into height will give lateral surface area plus L into B will give area of the ceiling. Now, substituting those values, here L is 5, B is 4 and 3 is height. That means 5 plus 4 into 3 plus 5 into 4. Here 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 2s 18, 18 3s are 54. So 54 plus 5 4s are 20, which is nothing but 74 meter square is the area to be whitewashed. Now cost, we will go for finding cost. Cost of whitewashing at the rate of rupees 7.5 per meter square will be 74 into 7.5 rupees, which is rupees 555. If you multiply, you will get the answer. So this is how we solve this question. From the question number 3rd of the exercise 13.1, we will solve in our next session. So till then, take care of yourself. Jai Hind. Thank you.